Hello dear students, welcome to the business marketing video session. In this session, we are going to learn about two important models of organization buying behavior, that is Webster and Win model, and the second one is the Sheth model. But before that, if you still have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos and updates. In the previous video sessions, I have discussed about what is organizational buying, how the company or an industry goes for the buying of their raw materials, and how the buying decisions takes place in the organizations, right? So in this video session, we are going to read about the business buyers which are influenced by the many factors when they make the buying decisions. Okay, generally these business buyers are influenced by the so many factors. Like one of the thing is organizational factors. Like when you buy the raw materials, you'll go with the factors like best product, best quality, and dependable delivery, or at the lowest price, and also many of the personal factors. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study the two models which explains the factors which influences the organization buying behavior. Now let us learn the first model, the Webster and Win model of organizational buying behavior. The Webster and Win model, it is one of the complex model. It is developed by F.E. Webster and Y. Wend. It is an attempt which has to explain the multifaceted nature of organizational buying behavior. Okay, and these behavior determinants influence both the individual and group decision making process and on the final buying decisions. Okay, and these model consists of different variables which explains the factors which influences your buying decision behavior for your organization. Those factors are: the first factor is, or the first variable is, environmental variables or an environmental influences. It includes all physical, technological, economic, political, legal, and cultural. These factors or influences are exported through suppliers, customers, governments, and trade union, etc. And some of these factors are uncontrollable. Okay, and these factors also helps or influences in your buying decisions, right? How it is a technology now, whether the political parties are supporting to buy the products, and what is the culture of the place where you are putting across your product to sell, and whether you are got a legal permission to start this organization or not. All these things influences your buying decision or a buying behavior of your organization. The second variable is organizational variable. It includes your organizational climate and your organization culture and your buying center, that is the structure of your organization, and your buying task. Buying task means in a previous video session we have discussed on which stage you are, whether you are in a new buy, whether you are in a modified buy. Okay, whether with company is in which stage of buying. Based on these influences, based on these factor, you will decide your buying. Okay, you will decide your buying behavior of your organization. And also it includes the buying technology, on which technology stage you are buying. Okay, which technology your organization is. Okay, based on this, your decision of buying will get updated or get tasked. The next factor is buying center influences or buying center variables. In the previous video, we have discussed the so many buying centers like users, buyers, influencers, the deciders, and the gatekeepers. These people also influence your decision of your buying behavior. Not only that, and also your interaction with the people, your role, and your expectations of the company, and also your relationship with suppliers, what relationship you are making, and your process, your leadership skill, and your structure of your leadership and your structure of your management also decides your buying behavior. How many people are there, for how many people you want to reach your product, okay, where you want to reach your product, all this counts for your buying for your business, that is buying of raw materials to produce a final product. These are the factors which influences. The next factor is buying decisions. Under buying decisions, we have two types of decision making process. Either the company owner make a individual decisions, what product shall I buy or what raw material shall I buy to prepare the final product, or he will take a consideration of all group the people. These are the two types of buying decision process. Based on this also, your buying behavior counts. Okay, your company which it is opting, whether your company is opting with an individual decision making process or a group decision making process, because when it takes a group decision making process, it has to take a consensus of all the people or the members which are in the company. Based on this, your buying decision behavior or a buying behavior of organization counts us. Now let us learn the next model of buying behavior, that is the Sheth model of business buyer behavior. The Sheth model is developed by the Professor Jagdish N. Sheth in 1973. And this model emphasizes on the joint decision making by two or more individuals, and also some of the psychological aspects of decision making by individuals which influences the business buying behavior. Here on the screen, you could see some of the Sheth model factors. The first one is factors that inform individual perception, like your past purchase satisfaction, your information about your suppliers or your information about your product, and the background of the raw materials or the supplier who supply your raw material, and some of the active information you search related to your buying. This also influences your organization buying. And second one, the factors that determining the number of individuals involved. Okay, what is the time pressure, at what type of purchase you are getting into, and what is the risk associated with this purchase, whether the product you have, the raw material you have ordered, whether it reaches you on time to produce the ultimate final product. All this counts for your organization buying behavior. The next factor is the company factors. Under company factors, it says about your organization orientation, like your organization visionary and missionaries, your size of organization, whether you are running a small size of business, whether running your medium size of business or a large scale of business, and how far your centralization is extended. Are you having a different branches or so many things that you can go, and all these factors influences your buying decision process. And the next one is conflict resolution methods. How you engaged on by participant. If you engage, if you get into any conflict, how you engaging with that, whether you are into a problem solving technique, whether are you into a bargaining, or you are into politically solving that problems, how your company is supported by this. So based on this also, your organization buying behavior happens. And the next factor is the supplier whom you have chosen and the brand of the raw material which you are using for your organization to produce a final product. Yes, because the feedback and the satisfaction of the customers who use the final products are very much important for your buying decision for your next time. All right. And also the next factor is situation factors. How is your cash flow of your company? How is your tax provisions given by the government to your business or an organization? And how is your industrial relations? Right? All these factors influences your organization buying behavior. And these are the two models which is very important on the point of your examinations. Okay, that is Webster Webster and Win model, and also the Sheth model, which explains your organization buying behavior. Thank you very much for watching the video. Happy learning. Take care. Bye.